Welcome back to our 30-day video series for UPSC, IITG, and NEET aspirants. In today's video, we'll explore the power of practicing mock tests and online quizzes as a vital tool to assess your readiness for the exams. Mock tests and online quizzes are excellent resources that simulate the exam environment, allowing you to gauge your performance, identify strengths and weaknesses, and fine-tune your exam strategies. Let's dive into the importance and techniques of utilizing these practice tools effectively. Students need to practice mock tests and review their answers. First, let's discuss the importance of practicing mock tests and online quizzes. Exam simulation. Mock tests simulate the actual exam conditions, helping you familiarize yourself with the exam format, time constraints, and question patterns. This experience enhances your confidence and reduces anxiety during the actual exam. Performance evaluation. Mock tests provide an opportunity to assess your performance and identify areas for improvement. Analyzing your strengths and weaknesses helps you tailor your study plan and allocate time more effectively. Students can analyze their performance and identifying areas for improvement. Now, let's explore some techniques for effectively utilizing mock tests and online quizzes. Time management. Practice managing your time effectively during mock tests. Allocate time to different sections based on their weightage and difficulty level. Regular practice will improve your speed and help you complete the exam within the allocated time. Analysis and review. After completing a mock test, thoroughly analyze your performance. Review both correct and incorrect answers to understand your reasoning and identify any gaps in knowledge. Focus on understanding the concepts behind incorrect answers and seek clarification if needed. Students seeking explanations for incorrect answers and filling knowledge gaps. To maximize the benefits of mock tests and online quizzes, consider these techniques. Variety of questions. Practice a wide range of questions from different sources, including previous year question papers, sample papers, and online question banks. This exposure to diverse question types will help you adapt to different exam scenarios. Simulate exam conditions. When taking mock tests, create an exam-like environment. Sit at a desk with minimal distractions, adhere to the time limits, and avoid checking your answers during the test. This will prepare you for the actual exam experience. Doing all these, student appears confident and engaged, actively practicing mock tests and online quizzes. By incorporating regular practice of mock tests and online quizzes into your exam preparation, you'll gain valuable insights into your performance, improve your exam strategies, and increase your chances of success on the big day. If you have any questions about practicing mock tests or need guidance on how to make the most of online quizzes, feel free to reach out to us. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll discuss effective techniques for developing problem-solving skills, a crucial aspect of exam success.